Kuringana na mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni ati umwe wa maundu maria matumaga rimwe gitaro gia gatagati wa bururi kihuthio bunge-ini ni gukorwo na bunge matekuranire muno kimathomo na makiria kiwatho na uguo makaga uge munene bunge-ini na ningi makahota guthioreka na ihenya ni thirikari iria iho.
If the people in this room had offered themselves for election, like Gacheri, like Agusha, like Wakili Mureu, our community would not be in the shit we are in.
Kia na muhiano na mutigaire Raila Odinga uria arauga thengia wa gukorwo ndatwikire president ni arari na hinya muingi kiuteti ni gukorwo na bunge mena uge munene bunge-ini na macokagio kaingi ni aikia kura kwao.
Party, all the legislators are top-notch lawyers. These are the people who protected Raila Odinga for 30 years.
Hamwe na ici Gachagua ukiriire President Ruto ni gutirika bururi na makiria gicigo-ini gia gatagati ka bururi kiuthi-ini wa nambere.
Our businesses have been ruined. Our agriculture, our tea, our coffee has been ruined. Pending bills of our people have not been paid.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka onake akihinyiriria mawakiri na makiria aria ethi gugekuruhania na njira nene ithurano-ini nene ciukite.
In addition, for going for those elected positions, do also determine to make sure there will be no rigging.
Maritie o Jumamothi hwaini mwena wa Thika Greens Gatanga Murang'a hindi ya kiungano kia urumwe wa mawakiri kuma gitaro-ini gia gatagati wa bururi na nginyagia kuma ikamba-ini kuria makiria mawakiri 1,000 aria ni hamwe na atongoria ta Justin Muturi na Jerry Maina mekinyitie.
Become a member of parliament to come and defend the constitution of the day. Members, we have serious laws which have been passed without proper participation in this country. We have the cybercrime law. We have a law of capital gain.
We saw that it was timely, in line with our national, in line with what GEM aspires to do. It aspires to unite all these communities, the Gikuyu, Embu, Meru and the Kamba communities.
Lawyers to come in and steer this country from the tyranny, from the dictatorial and even abuse of the law by the executive.
Our own cultures in their own way. So because we know when they remain peaceful and they have peaceful coexistence amongst their own cultures, then as a country we are going to have peace across board.
With our cousins, we will make a government, a very strong government. And so we are Kikuyu and we are proud to be Kikuyu.
Giribotera Inooro TV kuma muhuro wa kaunti ya Murang'a, njitagwo Joseph Wachira.